In this video, I will go over 7 different ways that you can use to add money to your Chase account. The first one is by a direct deposit. So you can set up direct deposits from your employer or other organizations that you receive payments from. This way, your funds will be automatically deposited into your Chase account. The second option is a mobile deposit. So you can use the Chase mobile app to deposit checks into your account by taking a photo of the front and back of the check. The third option is to use an ATM deposit. So you can deposit cash or checks at a Chase ATM using your debit card. Then fourth, an online transfer. So you can transfer money from another bank account to your Chase account using the Chase online banking portal. Then you can also do a wire transfer, where you transfer funds from another bank account to your Chase account using a wire transfer. Next, you can deposit cash at a Chase branch or ATM. And finally, you can deposit by mail, where you can also mail a check to Chase for deposit into your account. So it is important to note that some methods may have fees associated with them. So it's best to check with Chase for specific details. But that is 7 different ways that you can use to add money to your Chase account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.